this, make it in. I feel it deep within, beneath the skin. I must confess that I feel like a monster. I hate what I've become, the nightmares have begun. I must confess that I feel like a monster. I feel like a monster. I feel like a monster. My secret side I keep it under lock and key. I keep it caged, but I can't control it. Break me down. Why won't somebody come and save me from this? Make it in. I feel it deep within. It's just beneath the skin. I must confess that I feel like a monster. I hate what I've become. The nightmares just begun. I must confess that I feel like a monster. I feel it deep within. It's just beneath the skin. I must confess that I feel like a monster. I feel like a monster. His teeth are razor sharp. There's no escape for me. It wants my soul, it wants my heart. No one can hear me scream. Maybe it's just a dream. Maybe it's inside of me. Stop this monster.
I don't know where you came from, but thanks, Mario.
Oh yeah, but what happened to the money? Why's he killing everybody?
Well, he was possessed. All of what?
This monster. I feel it deep within. It's just beneath the skin. I must confess that I feel like a monster. What I've become, the nightmares just begun. I must confess that I feel like a monster. I feel it deep within. It's just beneath the skin. I must confess that I feel like a monster. I don't lose control. It's something radical. I must confess that I feel like a monster. 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 I feel like a monster.
Oh,
Oh no!
I don't know who or what Mario you are. But please, the thing can save my brother Mario from Boo's